Trying to fix this drainage problem. I have water coming in the basement wall, even when there was just a tiny little bit of rain. And what I found out was that there was a whole bunch of fill that had been pulled away from the wall right there. And so whenever it would rain, this downspout would dump water right here, and it would go right into the big divot that was. I just pushed all the fill back in there now, so it doesn't drain into the wall. I also went inside and the wall was bulged in a little from frost heave. Same reason. This area gets saturated when it freezes. It pushes in, and it cracked the wall and pushed it in by maybe like 3/4 of an inch, which is actually, surprisingly, it's not a major structural issue until it gets to 3 inches. Then you got to really worry about it. So I can stop that at 3/4. I filled in the crack with concrete and made this drainage ditch. So what I found is underneath about 2 inches of covering on this driveway is a slab of concrete that goes all the way to the edge of the house. So this house is from the 60s. The house next door is from the 20s. At some point, someone poured a giant slab. It's in a beautiful shape, and it's dead level, which means any water that comes down is not going to drain quite as nice as I'd like it. So I bought one of these flat drains that you can bury. It's only about 2 inches tall, and you can walk on it and you can bury it. So the idea is I'll try to give it just a little bit of pitch so I can move the water over to the edge of the slab, and then I can drop it down, and then I can meet up with my downspout drain and get rid of it down the ravine. That should solve this frost heave problem once and for all.